First things first, in case if you have a budget of 999, there are very good options from Casio, Sonata, Timex, all these options. These are the ones for people who have extreme budget limitations like 300, 350 or maybe 299. If you want just the basic purpose of seeing the time and also an accessory to match with your outfits. The first option, Amma, SWADESI stuff atta, brand name itself and the 999. Whatever they want, actually they can paste it on the box. Let's see how this option is. I don't have much expectations. 180 rupees में क्या watch आता है, and always watches when you invest in good options they are gonna last a really long time. Dummy watch है, नहीं है, original watch है. It's working, but it looks so tacky also, and rubber obviously it's not good. Just if you want to get that vibe of just wearing this kind of a watch or this shape of a watch, it's good enough. It almost looks like a toy watch. Kids को टके था toy watch and the back side just forget about it. पूरा scratches करके आ गया, stainless steel लिख के, stainless steel back. But the markings and everything, 180 rupees में क्या expect करते हैं? It's just like a roadside watch. I would not recommend. Moving on to the second option, Casio gun. Casio है. This is like a rip-off or a dupe version of the Casio G-Shock vintage option. Not the small rectangle or the squarish option, but here this is a rip-off of the circular version. It looks good for far away, but the moment you hold this one, you can literally feel it, the cheap quality and everything. As I mentioned, I will not talk about the quality, just wanted to just point out that. But in case if you want that looks, here you guys can see. It can just give you that looks, but this chain is like really uncomfortable. And few of the clasps, they won't even bend as well. इतना खराब quality मिलता है, అలాంటి quality లో దొరుకుతాయి 299 లో. Again, not a great option. I found at 299. Moving on to the third option. Next up, we got two different options from a brand called DEVIN. Louis Vuitton nahi. Initial impression of this black watch, it's looking good. And the second option here again with this packaging. This one, I think these are around 200 or 250 rupees, I think so. Again, these options. Good enough if I'm just seeing in this package. Let's see how they are. Not bad for 250 rupees. If they would have removed the branding, just kept it that way. Actually not bad, not bad. This one, it's a little bit stiff and you can hear the sounds as well. The sound it makes, it's not super comfortable, it pulls the hair as well. But when it comes to the dial, this stainless steel dial with this blue markings and also the movements and everything, obviously movement would be normal watch movement. Genuine quality product, water resistant. I doubt that. Don't believe this is water resistant. This is what you get for 250 and this is a possible option. This black one, first of all, it's a silicone strap. There are some imperfections when it comes to the lining here inside the glass. But in terms of how it looks, it's a very classy option. In case if you want a smart casual watch or maybe a smart formal, this is more inclined towards a smart formal. Clean silicone strap with the black dial with the black casing inside the color with the silver markings. And also here even the clasp is a black color. Attention to detail. We should not expect at this price point, but it's there for this option. Louis DEVIN. Name copy but na. Name copy kar diya, but good enough products for 300 rupees as I mentioned. For 300 rupees. Okay, now moving on to the last three options. These are from one single brand, that's why I'm mentioning it as last three options from a brand called TIMEWEAR. Timex unko the brand names complete chesesi TIMEWEAR rakh diya. The packaging, it's fine if you see like this, but the quality of the package is very poor. Obviously, it should be fine. At least they tried to give it or present it this way. This is like a Milanese loop hota hai na Apple Watch ka. ऐसा वाला design है for this option. This one, it's looking classy actually. This one, if you guys can see, it looks classy with this black dial color and with the stainless steel borders and also this matching with the chain here. The dial is a little bit big to my liking, somewhere around 42 I would say. But overall, for a price point of 320 or 330 rupees, this is a good option. I need to just start the watch by removing this one. Obviously, I'm not going to keep any of these options because I just wanted to review to you guys to make sure that you are getting something under 350 rupees in case if you have only that budget. So, okay, second option what I have ordered is just in one more colorway. This is a leather option. And even the previous, the black one is a leather option. Don't expect this to be of good quality and durability, but this is good enough for what you get. These are very cheap. The markings, they would have gone with a just plain option with the white color dial with the stainless steel border, I mean the casing, and on the back side it has been the same. A good smart formal watch. I would say a good formal watch also, because this colorway, it's like very decent. If you wear with the formals again, it looks really good. The dial size is 42 mm. I mean the case diameter is 42 mm. TIMEWEAR company actually good at 300. This one, last one, I had so much hopes because this is a replica of the rectangle watches Inspect with the Titan offer. Here you guys can see. This is good. This one is actually good. Itna sasta price point 300 rupees mein. The dial is looking classy with again the casing being in this silver color and the white color dial, black color strap. Strap ठीक ठाक का है, and the dial size is also perfect. The previous options, they were at almost 42 mm. This one being a rectangle dial. This looks actually classy. This has to be the favorite of all. पहले first watch है ना, don't buy that option. And TIMEWEAR and Louis DEVIN or Louis Vuitton, nahi, Louis DEVIN, that you can give it a try. These options, this is good. This is good, and even the other option, brown one, itna खास नहीं है TIMEWEAR में, but the other options are actually good. First one मत को toy watch, हादी मत को गनत, वो मत buy करो, समझे? हाँ, हदम में वीडियो पसंद आ गया नहीं आ गया? I will make sure that all the links are there in the description below for you guys to shop. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. That is it from me. See you next time.